Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and look what we got in the building. A Fortnite edition Nintendo Switch. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is not a cell phone accessory, a cell phone, whatever. This is something different that I'm bringing to the channel. I really always wanted a Nintendo Switch, and I did actually want it for my kids as well. So I actually decided to pick up a Fortnite edition version because it does actually come with 1,000 V-Bucks, which is basically Fortnite money that you're able to buy inside the game itself. So if you guys are not familiar with the Fortnite game, it's basically a game that a lot of kids are playing nowadays, and even grown adults are really into this game, and they spend hundreds of bucks on this. But I'm more interested into the console itself, which is the Nintendo Switch. So if you guys want to pick this up, this is on Target and a couple other spots for 300 bucks. So here's the back if you guys are interested. And on the bottom we do have some details. Nintendo right there up top, and on the side we got Fortnite and Nintendo Switch on the other side. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Should have a little tab here. Okay, so you have a tab here, and so I do watch my son play Fortnite. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but it is a pretty cool concept. I do have a PS4. Big shout out to little Mickey right there. But I'm more interested in PS4 games, but I definitely wanted to check out the Switch. It has been out for a very long time, and I do like the fact that you could really have like a portable system that you could take around with you. This is what the bottom looks like, just right there. So you do have your controllers here. So you have a red one and you have a blue one. So you're able to play with 2 players, which is pretty cool. So you don't have to buy another controller if you have 2 kids. And you do have the little monitor here that you can hook up to the side. Basically, take it on the go with you. Almost like the old school Game Gears, which I had back in the day. I'm more of an old school type of cat, so I do like a lot of the older games. So on the inside, let's see what we got here. So on the inside, we do have this part right here. This is where you have to charge it up. And what does it charge with exactly? Not entirely sure. Do not judge me in the comments, but I think you charge the controllers in there somehow. And it charges, I have no idea. So I'll figure that out later on, and you guys will make fun of me in the comments. So we do have your included HDMI cables, which is pretty cool. Put that to the side. And we do have our power brick here that takes a special cable. Is that Type C? That definitely looks like Type C, right? That definitely looks like Type C. So let's just check that out. And included in the Fortnite system stuff. Wait, hold on. You got another thing here. And this looks like a little lanyard that you connect to the controller maybe. So you slide this in there, and you're able to play with that as well. So I'm going to take a look at everything. So you get on the inside here, you do have the full game download, double Helix bundle, and 1,000 V-Bucks in Fortnite, which is basically about 10 bucks for free. And also you do get this stuff right over here. It says how to redeem your full game download and your bonus content, and you have to scratch off all that stuff. No, I'm not giving that away, even though you guys want me to. And you have an included manual right here. And you do have the console itself that actually makes the game go. I have not watched a ton of stuff about this, but I will definitely have to get used to it because I will be playing this in a couple of minutes. Nintendo Switch is finally in the building. So that's about it for the unboxing, guys. I probably will have a review of everything else, but as you can see, you do get a lot in the box, especially those cool game controllers. I did not want the regular basic one that's like in different colors or whatever, but I'm looking forward to Smash Brothers, and I'm looking forward to doing accessories. If you guys are interested in that, you guys let me know. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Nintendo Switch and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Man, I got a lot to learn, man. These are pretty dope though. Later.